Hi guys, well I found this really cool kit and I'll post a link to it in the bottom of the description under this video here. Anyway, it comes in a very unassuming cardboard box, and inside, now this kit cost me less than $15. I know it's hard to believe it when you see this, but it's true. Okay, inside here is some vacuum line, but that's only part of it. There's 32 feet of this, I believe, and this is a little bit larger size. I can't remember, but the sizes are in the description of the vacuum line itself when you purchase it, and it comes in, like I said, different sizes, much smaller than this and much larger. But I didn't use it for vacuum. I used it to repair a washer bottle line on my 92 Ford F-250. What I like about this is it comes with a cutter, and it comes with the fittings to connect lines together to your old lines or make new lines. What I did is I just took a little piece out of here, cut it like that, and I took my connections, and there's a whole bunch of different ones in here. They come three ways, different types. You have screw-in ones, a couple different types of those. Slant here. There's a different type of screw in, and all I did was use a straight one. And these fittings, if you're familiar with the shark bite water line connections, shark bite, that's what these are like. They got a little barbs inside there, and when you push your line in like so and tight, then when you pull on it, and I'm pulling pretty darn hard, it won't come out. Plus it makes a watertight, or like I said, in this case, these are vacuum. It makes a vacuum tight seal. Now if you want to take your line loose, you just push this little plastic piece in like that, hold it in, and then pull that back out. So in, good and tight, and hold it in. There you go, and pull it back out. So anyway, I wanted to show you this because of the price and because of the nice little kit it is right now. The line is really nice. It's blue. That's what you can see for vacuum, I guess. And comes in a very unassuming box, but for the price and what I got, I'm really pleased with this. So like I said, a link will be in the bottom below the video, in the description, below the description. So there you have it. Nice little kit, under $15, in a very unassuming box, but well worth the money. Cars, Trucks, and Detours, aka Steve AZ711. Bye for now.